This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Inside the heart of the chocolate factory, the journey begins with the arrival of raw cocoa beans, the soul of chocolate itself. From distant tropical regions, these beans travel thousands of kilometers before reaching this moment. Large burlap sacks, each filled with carefully harvested cocoa beans, are unloaded from pallets and guided into the facility. Every sack represents months of cultivation, patience, and skilled farming under the sun-soaked cocoa plantations of the world. In extreme close-up, the cocoa beans reveal their true character. Each bean, rough and imperfect on the outside, carries the hidden potential of rich chocolate within. As the beans are poured into stainless steel hoppers, they tumble downward in slow motion, a controlled cascade of texture, color, and movement. The dry, earthy sound of beans colliding fills the air, accompanied by the precise mechanical clicks of the machinery guiding their path. These hoppers are more than simple containers. They are the gateway between raw nature and refined production. Here, thousands of individual beans come together, ready to be transformed as one.
The camera glides through rows of powerful roasting and cleaning machines. Steam rises as rotating drums turn in perfect rhythm. Lights cutting through the air vents release controlled heat, filling the space with a soft industrial pulse. Here, precision transforms raw cocoa, and the true flavor of chocolate begins to awaken.
Inside massive automated grinders, the roasted cocoa beans meet immense pressure and precision. Steel rollers slowly crush them down, releasing their natural cocoa butter and transforming the solid beans into a thick, flowing paste. Rich brown textures emerge, glossy and smooth, moving steadily through the machinery. This substance is known as cocoa liquor, the pure essence of cocoa, containing both flavor and fat in perfect balance. The deep hum of grinding machines fills the space as heavy mixers rotate with calm power. Nothing here is rushed. Every movement is carefully controlled to preserve the depth, aroma, and intensity developed during roasting. Behind glass walls, the process is carefully watched and precisely controlled. Technicians stand before glowing digital panels, monitoring temperature, grind size, and timing in real time. Every number on these screens matters. A slight change in heat can alter flavor. A few seconds more or less can affect texture and smoothness. Soft button clicks echo through the control room as settings are adjusted with exact precision.
The camera follows the path of the cocoa liquor as it moves through heated pipelines, flowing smoothly like liquid silk. Warmth keeps it in constant motion, preventing it from solidifying as it travels deeper into the factory. Inside these sealed steel channels, the cocoa liquor is protected, guided, and precisely controlled. A deep, resonant flow echoes through the pipes, accompanied by a low mechanical vibration that hums steadily in the background.
In macro detail, the conking machines reveal the final shaping of chocolate's character. Thick, glossy liquid folds over itself in slow motion, moving in a continuous, hypnotic rhythm. This is where time does the work. Hours of gentle heat and constant motion smooth the texture, soften bitterness, and release delicate aromas trapped within the cocoa. The deep mechanical tones blend with the smooth rolling churn, creating a calm, steady pulse. Nothing is rushed here. Conking is patience, a process that transforms rough intensity into refined balance.
Robotic arms move with flawless accuracy, adding sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter in perfectly measured amounts. Every motion is calculated down to the millimeter, ensuring absolute consistency from batch to batch. Controlled dispensing systems release each ingredient with precision, while soft robotic beeps signal synchronized movement. Nothing is left to chance. Even the smallest variation can change the final taste and texture.
In slow motion, tempered chocolate flows in perfect ribbons, smooth and continuous. Its surface reflects warm golden light, revealing a flawless shine and silky movement. This is tempering, a delicate balance of temperature and time. Here, the crystal structure of cocoa butter is carefully aligned, giving chocolate its snap, gloss, and stability. Soft, ambient factory sounds fade into the background, replaced by a gentle cinematic undertone. The chaos of machinery disappears, leaving only control, precision, and flow. In tease moment, chocolate reaches its ideal state, perfectly balanced, biscuit pur, and ready for its final form. High-speed conveyor lines move with synchronized precision, guiding tempered chocolate into waiting molds. The liquid flows evenly, filling every shape with exact consistency. Gentle vibrations ripple through the molds, allowing trapped air bubbles to rise and escape. This subtle motion ensures a flawless surface and a perfect internal structure. Rhythmic mechanical taps echo alongside the soft hiss of pressurized air, creating a steady industrial cadence. Each second is carefully timed. Each movement is essential. At T-stage, perfection is no longer about flavor alone. It is about form, finish, and the promise of what the chocolate will soon become. In close-up, automated machines work in flawless sync. Finished chocolate releases cleanly from its molds, each piece perfectly formed and cooled. Wrapping arms move swiftly, sealing each bar with exact pressure and timing. Labeling systems follow instantly, applying branding with absolute alignment. This final automation step protects freshness, preserves quality, and prepares the chocolate for its journey beyond the factory walls, ready for shelves, hands, and the first perfect bite. From above, the full scale of the packaging zone comes into view. Robots and workers move together in perfect coordination, each playing a vital role in the final stage of production. Bright LED lights illuminate the floor, reflecting off stainless steel surfaces and moving conveyor lines. Efficiency defines every step, fast, clean, and precisely organized. Seen from this height, the operation becomes more than a factory. It becomes a system of motion, discipline, and trust, delivering chocolate to the world, one perfectly packaged piece at a time.
Before any chocolate leaves the facility, it faces one final examination. Quality inspectors, dressed in full safety gear, carefully study each finished bar as it passes through LED inspection tunnels. Bright, focused lights reveal even the smallest imperfections, surface flaws, shape inconsistencies, or packaging errors. This stage is about trust. Every product is carefully checked to ensure it meets strict standards of quality, safety, and appearance. Only chocolate that passes this final test is approved to move forward, carrying the promise of consistency, care, and craftsmanship beyond the factory doors.
As the process nears its end, the factory shifts toward movement and departure. Forklifts glide across the floor, lifting branded chocolate boxers with steady precision. Warm factory lights glow in the background, casting long reflections across the loading bay. Each box represents countless steps from raw cocoa beans to finished perfection.
All right, bring it back just a little bit. That's good.
From here, chocolate leaves the controlled world of the factory and begins its journey to stores, homes, and hands around the world, carrying flavor, craftsmanship, and care far beyond these walls. As the day comes to a close, the camera slowly rises above the factory. A cinematic pan-up reveals the full scale of the chocolate plant, bathed in warm golden light. The setting sun reflects across the building's surface, symbolizing the completion of a carefully controlled journey. This is more than a factory. It is where tradition meets technology, and where chocolate is crafted to be shared, enjoyed, and remembered.
And that's how chocolate is made, from cocoa bean to finished bar.